Oh, you want to make an indie game, do you? How adorable. You think you can create a masterpiece, release it, and watch the money pour in like rain? Oh, how naive. This industry is not a walk in the park, my friend. It's a war zone, and only the smartest, most stubborn developers survive. But don't worry, I'll show you how to sharpen your claws and fight your way to the top. Let me guess, you want to create another pixel art platformer, huh? Well, stop right there, mate. Nobody cares unless you actually bring something new to the table. Don't just regurgitate the same old tired concepts. Dig deep and find what makes your game stand out from the crowd. And for the love of all that is unholy, make sure it's actually fun. The world doesn't need another Souls-like but 2D clone. Ha! Broke? Welcome to the life of an indie developer, my friend. You're working with limited resources? Well, accept it and embrace it. Use whatever free tools you can get your hands on, optimize everything, and don't waste months obsessing over perfect graphics when your gameplay is as dull as a flat tire. Make sure your game is actually fun to play before worrying about how it looks. Pretty pixels don't matter if the experience is boring. Building a strong community is crucial for any indie game. A game with no audience is destined to fail. Get out there and start talking to people. Make a name for yourself on social media. Set up a Discord channel to interact with potential fans. You need to make sure people care about your game before it even hits the market. If you just drop your game and expect it to sell, you'll be in for a rude awakening for sure. Marketing is key for any successful indie game. Even if you've created the most amazing game in the world, it won't matter if no one knows about it. Make trailers that'll make people's jaws drop, reach out to streamers who can spread the word, and don't be afraid to throw some memes into the mix. And if you think marketing is optional, I'll be chuckling at your "why did my game fail" lamentations later. Choosing the right monetization strategy is crucial for any indie game. Will you go free-to-play, premium, or ad-supported? Make your decision early on and stick to it. And let me tell you, friends, shoving microtransactions down players' throats won't make you rich. Unless you're a soulless corporation, find that delicate balance. Make money without making your players feel like they're being milked dry. Launching a buggy game is a one-way ticket to failure, my friend. Test everything, fix whatever needs fixing, and launch with a bang. But don't think that once your game is out, you can sit back and relax. Keep it alive with updates, events, and fresh content. A dead game is a forgotten game. Don't let that be your fate. And there you have it, folks. Indie game success isn't about luck. It takes grit, strategy, and an unyielding refusal to give up even when things hit rock bottom. And trust me, they will. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle as a game dev? Don't be shy. Spill it in the comments. I may be a bit of a devil, but I won't judge. Well, maybe just a little.